Who the hell's getting towed this early in the morning? What the hell? Tell someone right now. Seriously? That is dumb. That is so dumb. And then look at this genius in the BMW. Now if someone has to make a left turn into the street, or a right turn in the street, they can't do it.
They're right in a puddle too.
Yeah, tow truck drivers not having fun. And then look at this Camry right here. Look where it's parked. So that thing's probably getting scuffed really bad.
Yeah, that's not good. That's totally zone too.
Yeah.
What was that person thinking?
Well, maybe he's going to tow that one after he tows this one. Because you can probably fit 2 cars in there, right?
Yeah.
I think so.
You think so?
Yeah. Alright, genius, look what you did.
That's completely tearing your axle.
That's, you know what I said, edit videos? That's going on the channel. Some of the dumbest shit I've ever seen. What's going on here?
Oh, what'd you say? Sorry, I didn't. Oh, yikes. Is anyone in the car?
Yeah, there's a person driving
Oh
it.
my god.
What are you doing, dude?
What?
I am very confused by your stupidity.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's a 1 star.
Yeah, seriously. Right?
Oh my god.
Yikes. People are not.
Oh my god, he picked him up over here.
I mean.
He went down the wrong side of the street.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's a 1 star.
Yeah.
That's.
Crazy.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I've definitely gone down the wrong way.
Yeah, but
this.
probably not at this time when it's like raining.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh my god. That's
I thought he like didn't know what he was doing.
No, I'm trying to figure out like what is happening here.
Right.
I was trying to like deconstruct the crime scene.